Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm just here at the South Bridge in West Bragg Creek. As you can see ahead, there's all the different trails along here, all the different types of trail etiquette. Clean up after your pets. Bikers yield to people, people yield to horses. This is part of Kananaskis Country, so you do need a Kananaskis Country permit that you can achieve at any of the tourism places. I'll have a link below. Bragg Creek offers multiple trails as well as an off-leash area for dogs. I'm actually here with my dog Aurora and my girlfriend Emilie. You'll see them later on in the video. Just Aurora out having fun. This is an off-leash area, but you do got to control your dog. She's just currently getting rid of the zoomies. Hey guys, there's an amazing creek coming along through here. As you can see down there. Great spot in the summer for waterfowl. Up ahead you can see my girlfriend and Aurora. Hey guys, just in the off-leash area here in West Bragg Creek. As you can tell by the map, currently right here on the middle crystal line. Gonna drop down on link number 1. Follow up along the West Crystal Line Trail. It has different ratings here. You get your all-season, your winter multi-use, snowshoe, easy cross-country, more difficult cross-country, skate and classic cross-country, road, parking, stream, etc. Alright guys, well, dog just loving it here. Running over towards my girlfriend. He's giving her a snack for coming. Alright guys, well, I'm going to continue back on and I'll catch on with you guys a little later. Just wanted to show you that like every intersection around here there's a sign, so don't worry about getting lost or anything. I do have my Garmin GPS map 66i with satellite communication, but that's just for emergencies. Always good to have in the backcountry. Hey guys, so we just came from up there, going on down through here, and as you can see the screw represents where we are. We're going to be taking the West Crystal Line. I'm using this time here while I'm here to train Aurora as well. We already have her trained on the basic command stuff, but just to get her used to the mountains up here. She's just over there enjoying the time with...
There's a nice view over here.
Oh, my girlfriend just said there's a nice view over here, so we'll come over here and check it out. I'll bring you for a travel with me. I'm also trying out my new hiking shoes, which are the North Face off-trail Gore-Tex shoes, and let me tell you, they're amazing. I couldn't find many reviews on the internet. I trusted North Face, and these are phenomenal for hiking. The grip, they have 5 or 6 millimeter grips on them. They have Kevlar threading to hold them together.
There's a couple trees here, but it's really nice. We get to see a nice bend of the river here. Look
And
at that. Look at over there. And then it curves all the way around here. Here, step where I am. You'll have a better view.
And then right here, you can see over there, there's Aurora coming up to check out the view. She loves the views too.
And then it curves.
And then it curves and continues on down over there. It's a really nice spot. All right, guys. Well, I'll keep you up to date on everything that happens and any interesting stuff, and I'll see you further on down the trail. Hey Aurora. Hey girl. You liking this? Yeah, she loves it. Are you liking it, hon?
Oh yeah, it's great. Fantastic. Love it. Can't beat this. Like so many views and the air. Nothing like that.
Hey guys, just a nice another little spot here. See Aurora just enjoying herself. Trail is very well maintained here at West Bragg Creek. You have these little bridges going across, multiple brooks running across. You see a bigger bridge up over there. Beautiful area along here. So you hear some birds in the background, some squirrels. But do realize you are in the backcountry, so you know what I mean. Always make sure to have your bear spray. Let someone know, you know, paper copy of a map, some form of communication. You know what I mean. Accidents can happen quick. Still just a pup, but she's doing. Aurora's still just a pup, but she's doing really good. She loves exploring. Just another amazing view here along the eastern slopes of the Canadian Rockies in Kananaskis Country. Highly recommend coming in here and walking along these different areas within Bragg Creek, especially the off-leash areas if you have a dog that's well trained. Nice.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
All right, guys. Well, as you heard my girlfriend say, there's elk droppings around here, so there's lots of wildlife. There's also lots of predators. Just keep that in mind, and I'll catch you further on down the trail. You hear a noise in the background? That's just a plane going overhead. The great thing about this area is there's so many interconnecting loops and ways to travel that allows you to basically make a new journey each time you come here. Hey guys, so just wanted to give you a status update of where I am now. Started at the parking lot over here, came all along through this area here, and now we're up here at the Moose Connector, which is also the beginning of the Moose Loop. We're going to cut across to here, connect on to Tom Snow, down to here, back to the Mountain Road Trail, follow it up, and then cut off potentially around this area. But I'll keep you guys up to date. As you can see, guys, just an amazing area in here. I could definitely see moose traveling in through this area. Again though, like all wildlife, it just depends on time of day and luck. Saw some moose tracks along the way. As you can see, it's just mountains in the background over there. This whole area is a paradise. I'm doing this currently on April 25th, which is actually my birthday, but I figure that in early May it could be very boggy, very wet. Like I mentioned, I am wearing the North Face off-trail Gore-Tex hiking shoes, which I find extremely amazing. Great grip on them. But this is quite the trail, and with the snow falling, just makes it more magical. Wouldn't you agree, hon?
Yeah, it's a really nice area, just breathtaking.
Hey guys, gonna stop down here for a snack. My girlfriend Aurora,
Yeah.
enjoying the area. Aurora's gonna check out the top of the picnic table. She's just a pup. We'll make sure it's cleaned up afterwards. But yeah, there's a beautiful picnic table here with a bridge going across and a creek running. Great place to have a snack, as you can see. There's even like a real light snow. I probably can't see it on the video. There is still some ice on the side of the creek. And then going down into this way here. It really makes for a magical experience, and one you should definitely check out. Nice view, eh, pup? Hey guys, great day of hiking there at Bragg Creek. It's probably about 20 after 5 there now. Highly recommend this area, especially off-leash area for dogs, as long as your dog is well trained and you have all the necessary safety gear, not just for you but for your dog as well. Remember, tick season is coming up, so always have a tick remover and maybe a little pill bottle type thing to put a tick in with some paper so you can write down as much information as possible. Dog is really enjoying this on the final stretch out. We've got less than half a kilometer to go back to the parking lot. And I'll catch you next time right here on Backcountry Views.